how to hide some apps from the home screen like this on Samsung Galaxy A05. So for the example, we want to hide Google Chrome, and the first step, you can press in the empty area like this, press and hold. You can go to the setting, and then you can tap on hide apps on home and apps screen, and select on the apps do you want to hide. For the example, I want to select the Google Chrome, and you can select the another apps. After that, you can tap done. So you will not find the Google Chrome on the home screen right now. And then if you want to open the Google Chrome, you can go to the search bar like this. You can create the name of apps like this, and you can open the Chrome, and you can open the apps on this option like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.